speed. This is the location so nearer to my home area, and I think that I should share this area before you. In my previous video I share a lot of time this area from my channel. Today the sun is little bit smooth, that's why I think that I should go out. It is about 11:15 or 11:10 maybe, so I think that I should go out now this moment and look that area. Before it from this point it was totally vacant, but now you can see lots of houses, new houses in this location. And this is the railway. It's coming from Dhaka and connected to Dewanganj. This is the Dhaka to Dewanganj railway track. In my so much nearer to my home, so I think that I should share and let's tell something about this area. Look, surrounding environment here, it's a very a greeny area before, but now you can see houses, but in that position you can see some vacant area and two ponds here, maybe cultivating fish or something, other reels here. Look the view of this area. This area is a newborn area. If you think something about it, it's a newborn area. Yes, I sometimes try my best to making videos in my mobile from my channel. Look, this is a government site actually, and look that area is looking so peach and newborn. People are making buildings here, and look some newborn cities over there, high-rise buildings, new roads. Actually before it was not very well planned site, but you can see now this place is little bit constructed. This position you can see here. Yes, I just try my best for making some another videos. Look, this side is totally vacant, and this is the newborn area actually, and there was a road that is called the bypass roads in this location, and people are making houses in that area. Actually this location is little bit far away from the main city, that's why it's very hard to get some rickshaw or other vehicles from this location to going to cities. But in this area the land is more cheaper than the cities. That is the bypass area in my Jamalpur city. Actually this road is new, but this is not new if I tell about it It's about 3 or 5 years, 5 or 6 years maybe, this roads. And you can see, first I have some videos on that location. Yeah, some sands here, I have to cover it up. It's very hard for me to walking in this location actually, because you can see some sands and some dust area. You can see lots of paddy fields here. Actually, I have a video on that position some days before, but now it's little bit whatever I would say, densely populated than the place before, whatever I see in this location. Look, the greeny movement is going decrease day by day, because people are making their homelands here. The houses, accommodations are building gradually in this location. First it was just like a paddy field or vacant place, but after making this road, this area is converted some accommodation just like area. And it's very hard for me for walking in this. Look some dust around this area. Now we can see some sun around me, and it is very hard for me for making videos under this sun, boiling sun. Look, that is the bypass area, and vehicles, yeah, look, some vehicles, some sand carrying vehicles, you can see here. Actually this location is much nearer to my home, so I think that I should make video again in this location. Actually I have a video in this location many years before, and now this area is covered with some accommodations. People are buying cropland from this location, because this is nearer to the highway road and the communication is much better than the other side. So people are buying, selling their lands, and the new people are buying their buying cropland for making accommodation. Look, signboards here. Okay, after coming Jamalpur, I never come this area. After many times later, about 5-6 months later, I came here. So I think that I should make a video in this position and to share you. Look, the sounds of around me, it's much heavier than the other side. So I should stop my video and to share it as soon as possible in my channel. If you have any comment, please like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye. See you later.